Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your investment account. Withdrawing your investment earnings or principal from Bright is simple and secure. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, open the Bright app and navigate to the Invest tab on your dashboard. Once you're inside the investment section, tap the Withdraw button. This is usually located near your portfolio balance or listed under Investment Options. Next, choose the account or funds from which you'd like to withdraw money. Enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. Bright may show you the available withdrawable balance, which can be slightly lower than your total if you have unsettled trades. Select your destination account, usually your linked Bright spending account or an external bank account that you've connected. Review the summary screen, including any potential withdrawal fees or tax implications. Some accounts may have limitations based on the investment type, so make sure that you're eligible to withdraw. Confirm the transactions by tapping Withdraw Funds. You may need to authenticate the action using a fingerprint, a PIN, or a two-factor code. The funds typically transfer within 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank and of course your withdrawal method. And that's it, your money is on its way. If this walkthrough made your investment journey smoother, hit that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.